Good afternoon, it's Carolyn here from Waiheke Island down under in New Zealand. Bit of a grey day here. In this video I'm going to give you the definition of hard prune, and nothing scares the bejeebers out of people more than a hard prune. So just looking here, this is a hard prune on an olive, and there's a couple more over there that you can see. So you might get the idea of what a hard prune is. It's pruning a plant right back into its limbs. And when these were first done, I know it did scare a few people. I didn't do it, but I certainly wasn't scared when I saw it, because I know that olives respond really well, and you can see that these are shooting back, that one right up its limb. In fact, when I saw them, I would have cut them back harder. So I would have cut these back a bit further, just because I felt like they could have had maybe another foot off those limbs. They will come back even if you prune them nearly to the base. So that's what a hard prune is. It's right back into the limbs. Often there's no growth left on the plant. Often there's no leaves left on the plant, but you do need to know what sort of plant you can do it with. Now you know what a hard prune is, and hopefully one day you'll be able to do them yourself. And if you look at all the terms that I've put together, then you'll be well on your way to being one of the top 1% gardeners in New Zealand, and not afraid to do a hard prune like this.